everyone! I'm just making a salad for my lunch. Feel free to join me. By the way, I'm Helen from Garena Mobile Games here for Mama Minute. So today I want to talk about how do I do online ads in different stages of the game. If we look at the first stage, which is the launch stage, the question I was asked the most is how do I know if an ad's campaign performance is good or not? For a mobile game, what matters the most is user base. However, for RPG game, it could be user quality, meaning the potential purchasing power from a user. If we move on to the next stage, which is sustaining stage, the key metrics we'll be looking at is the ratio between pay install and organic install, because we want to make sure that this game has strong organic growth in the long run. Then at the last stage, which is the revive stage, meaning that after a period of time, your game has been doing well, however, it starts to have some drop on the user activeness. Here's where we were gonna have a re-engagement campaign to bring back the churn users. So the key metrics we're looking at here is ROAS second day. Why second day is because we want to have a precise evaluation on the impact of the ads. Let's say if users only top up like in the longer days after they see the ads, this could mean they are exposed to some other marketing channels which is not directly related to your ads. Yeah, so this is pretty much I want to share today. And thank you, I'm gonna have my lunch now. Bye!